have our Zumba. So, para pa, init sa itong lawas. Okay, calling all the runners! Nasa nasa sides, please, dito sa front. Ayaw mo kaulaw. Na, importante kayo ni siya. This is very essential para ma-stretch ang atong mga kalawasan nila. Hindi mabina ka, hindi makakita na atong mga muscles. Ang atong mga puto. Okay, don't be shy. Come on, runners! Come up here. Ay, come up here. This is the center. Ha? Dili. Our race briefing for the 21 kilometers runners. So ayun sa mugnaog ha, mag-race brief sa takadyo by our race director, Sir Jibril Monsanto.
So, I hope review mo, karon ninyo ang exam. So, brief lang yun siya ka reminders, especially sa wala ka-apil gapon. Mo yung trail sign, orange na marker. Sa tanang categories na siya. Napo yung mga arrows along sa route. And napo yung mga labels. So kung sa mga category, follow lang ninyo. Again, orange itong trail signs. Napo tayo caution tape dito. Caution means ayaw agi dito or na-danger or pang. So likay lang tayo. Specifically for 21 km, na-ay checkpoints dito. Especially sa U-turn, katagaan mo o wristband. Ang color sa wristband is orange and blue. Okay? So, kailangan ko siya ninyo para mato'y magpatimaan na nakaaging mo itong aid station. Alright? Orange and blue for the 21 km. Alright, I think porobot to siya ng mga small reminders. So, again, ito wala pa naka-check-in sila race bib, ito sa race tech. And then in 10 minutes, mag-start na 21 km. Alright, God bless runners.
The countdown in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good luck! 21 runners! Come on!
Yeah!
Okay. Now we are witnessing the release of the 21 km category Run Safe and Godspeed 21 km runners.
Kamu yang nangis dah, jadi mistake man. Masuk kasin. Putih dalam ni.
To go before the gun start of the 12 km category. Let us all witness the gun start of the 12K runners. Nagala sila sa ito ang starting area. I hope malugan ko. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 12K runners, go, go, go! God bless and Godspeed. Race, 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 safe race. Okay, medyo ayaw na siya.
Dari.
So, baklaan na siya ang dalan. Good luck, walking runners. Enjoy the nature and the trails of Iligan City.
Sayo ko kay parang blastar nila sa.
Very nice category that you're going to witness is the 6 a.m. category. 20 seconds. Say your prayers. Just enjoy the trails. Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck, 6 km runners. Come on. Good luck, God bless, and Godspeed. Okay, run safe and finish strong. Come on, 6 km runners. Good luck, 6 km runners.
Kaya ako aram ni. Ano ni pabalin ang pizza?